Hey guys, today we'll be decorating a large mosaic number. What you will need is your mosaic number, balloons to match your color scheme, scissors, balloon glue, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is inflate my balloons and tie them into pairs or duplets, creating same color duplets throughout the number. I'm going to add in mini duplets of each color from my color scheme. And I'm just going to kind of adjust and maneuver them as I go along. You never have to keep it exactly the way that you start. I like to kind of maneuver, change things up, and see how I like it from there. Now I'm going to go back and add a third balloon to one of my duplets. And I'm going to do that to a few of them just because I wanted more of the 3D effect. So I want it to look like the balloons are literally jumping out of the number. If you want the flatter look, then you can definitely just leave it as the pairs and not add that third balloon like I just did. Again, it takes a little maneuvering and adjusting to get it exactly the way you'd like, but once you have it that way, you just add balloon glue or double-sided tape throughout your number so that the balloons are nice and secure and they don't fall once your number is stood up. So I'm just adding glue throughout my number to the bottom, the side, wherever, and I even glue some of the balloons to each other. So I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around my mosaic number, making sure it's nice and secure. Once I'm done, I'm going to add these adorable gold butterflies. Again, using balloon glue, I'm going to just add them throughout my mosaic number to my balloons so that it gives the effect of balloons in a fairy magical garden. You can also add flowers. You can leave off the balloons and flowers, whatever you prefer. But this works perfect for the theme that I'm going for. And you are all done. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.